Is your Brawl Stars shop constantly crashing, making you miss out on those sweet deals and progression boosts? Let's fix that. First, force close the app. On most phones, you can do this by swiping up from the bottom and holding, then swiping away the Brawl Stars card. Alternatively, long press the app icon on your home screen at Europe. And select app info or a similar option like a gear icon, depending on your device. Now, tap on force stop. This completely shuts down the app and can resolve minor glitches. Tap OK to confirm. If that didn't work, go back to the app info screen and tap on storage and cache. Next, clear the cache by tapping the clear cache button. This removes temporary files that might be causing the crash. If clearing the cache doesn't work, tap clear storage or clear data. Warning: this will reset your app settings, so you might have to log in again. Still crashing? Head to your app store and search for Brawl Stars. See if there's an update available. Outdated apps often have bugs that can cause crash. If there's an update button, tap it. If it says open, your app is already up to date. Finally, check for any software updates for your phone itself. An outdated operating system can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Hopefully, one of these steps has fixed your Brawl Stars shop. Now you can get back to brawling and snagging those exclusive offers.